The improved Lala Retro Whipped Cream is a multifaceted rescue cream that helps skin retain long-lasting moisture and defend against the effects of everyday stressors. Day or night, Lala Retro is a whipped dream come true for tired, dry skin. With advancements in technology and ingredients, I'm always looking to improve our formulas. With Lala, I saw an opportunity to increase barrier support of the skin's acid mantle by adding a plant ceramide complex. This beloved formulation is still whipped with 6 rare African oils to nourish and rejuvenate, defend from environmental aggressors, and visibly brighten skin. Sodium hyaluronic cross-polymer delivers excellent hydration and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The newly added plant-derived 5-ceramide complex helps maintain moisture balance while protecting against water loss. Think of ceramides like mortar in a brick wall. They help fill in the spaces between skin cells, play a critical role in strengthening the skin barrier, and improve elasticity. Formulated at an ideal and skin-friendly pH level of 5.2, Lala Retro has the luxurious texture of a rich face cream without feeling suffocating or heavy. Like all of our other products, Lala can be mixed with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil. During the day, mix a pump of Lala with a shot of B Hydra for an additional boost of vitamin B plus hydration. Or if used at night, mix with a pump of TLC Framboos and a shot of B Hydra for smoother, more hydrated skin.